Hey guys, I'm John Iglar at Douglas Elliman, California. Today, I'm going to take you through 6902 Los Tilos Road in the Hollywood Hills. The house is about 9,000 square feet, sits on about 27,000 feet of land. It's got 5 bedrooms, an incredible infinity edge pool, and a whole lot more. But before we even go inside the house, I want you to have a look at this incredible rooftop parking. You come down from the street, across a bridge, and park on this roof deck that has possibly the most incredible views from any driveway in Los Angeles. And now let's go check it out. One of the first things you notice as you enter the main living level is that this isn't just another white box in the Hollywood Hills. While it's clean-lined and modern, the space is very warm. The architect did an incredible job of incorporating rich woods, stone, and plaster throughout this living space. And it's more than just a living space. It's a fluid, open, entertaining space, incorporating the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. Following on that warmth, the architect designed the kitchen with rich, walnut, matte finish cabinets with a suite of Miele appliances throughout. Anchored by this incredible bar, you could easily imagine a cocktail party here for 50 people. And if you needed even more space, sliding glass doors retract completely to open the interior to more than 5,000 square feet of exterior terraces. Here we are in the master bedroom, one of my favorite rooms in the house. It's essentially a glass box that floats over the entire city. You have 3 sides of floor-to-ceiling glass. Out to the left, we have the Hollywood sign, straight ahead, downtown Los Angeles, and off to your right, the Pacific Ocean. All of that from bed. And now, let's go check out the pool. A second living space opens up to yet another terrace and the all-important pool. Lots of houses in the Hollywood Hills have great views, but this one is truly exceptional. Floating on a raft, margarita in hand, you're perched above the entire city of Los Angeles. Thank you for joining us for a tour of 6902 Los Tilos Road in the Hollywood Hills. Quite simply, one of the best view properties available in Los Angeles today. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?